Welcome back to our channel Scrummy Yum.
Hello friends, today I am going to share my favorite tasty and healthy recipe, roti laddoo. Take one roti and ask your mother to grind it. Further take milk maid, ghee, coconut powder, roasted nuts, roasted grated coconut, small cardamom powder. Now let's start making our laddu. First mix cardamom powder, roasted nuts and grated coconut in roti. Also mix 3 tablespoon milk maid, 1 tablespoon ghee in roti and mix these things properly. Use your hands for proper mixture. Now apply some ghee on your palm and make laddus like this. And bind them properly. See, just like this. Now coat your laddus with coconut powder and decorate them with nuts. Our tasty roti laddus are ready to eat.